Good afternoon, boys and girls, and for today's maths lesson, we're going to explore capacity and volume. And I would like you to read this learning objective on the black screen to your mom and dad now. And the learning objective is, can I explore capacity and volume? Oh, look, I can see a split vowel diagram in the word explore. Can you? And also, note the Y at the end of capacity. Remember last week in phonics where we discovered that the Y at the end of many words has that long E sound. Capacity. Oh, and even in volume, I can see a split vowel diagram. Can you? Alright, boys and girls, the first task is just go to your Google machine and type in White Rose Maths, Volume and Capacity, Year 1, and just press Enter, and you'll find a load of links there. And if you look down below those pictures where it says Home Learning, Year 1, White Rose Maths, click on that link. I'll also put a hyperlink on this dojo post so you don't have to use Google if you don't want to. Do you see down there it has nothing on volume and capacity? You'll have to click on week 1 and then scroll down. There, lesson 4, introduce capacity and volume. And look, as part of that lesson there's a video. It's a wonderful video. I'd like you to watch that video. It's got lots of terminology related to volume and capacity, like empty, full, almost full, nearly empty. It will also explain to you exactly what capacity and volume is. So your second task for this maths lesson is to watch that video, please. Year 1s, before we do our worksheet questions, are you ready for a Red Star challenge? For this challenge, you will have to ask your mom permission to use some things in your kitchen. Boys and girls, for this Red Star challenge, you will need 4 containers. You can use a glass, you could use a cup, you could use bottles, whatever containers you can find in the kitchen you can use. You will need water. I will need to see in each of these 4 containers one of these. One container needs to be full. One container needs to be empty. Another container needs to be almost full. And finally, the last container needs to be nearly empty. Please take a picture or a video of your containers and upload them onto your dojo portfolios. I'll show you an example from my kitchen next. Okay, I've got my 4 containers there, and my containers are glasses, and they're filled with water with some pink coloring or paint, so you can see the water more clearly. And underneath those white cards are 4 labels. Look at the first one. The water is right up to the top, up to the brim, and that's full. What about the volume of the second one? It is almost full, not quite up to the top. The third one, there is nothing in that. So there is no volume of water. Capacity there is empty. And finally, we've just got probably a little water, probably 1/4 full. So that's nearly empty. Boys and girls, if you can show me a photograph or a video of your 4 containers with volumes of water matching these label cards, you will get yourself 1 red star. Don't forget to make the label cards and match the label cards with the volumes. Good luck with that Red Star Challenge. Boys and girls, now it's time for the main activity. You will need a ruler and a pencil. Did anyone hear baby Ava cry in the background there? Super funny. Here's the main activity. Match the volumes to the label, similar to what you've done. Note in match it's got that ch diagraph, and look at the U split vowel diagraph in volume. And just like you did with the Red Star Challenge, if you attempted it, you've got empty, almost full, almost empty, and full would be number 4. So what you need is you need your ruler and you need your pencil, and you need to draw 4 super neat glasses using the ruler. And there's Mr. L there drawing the first glass. Notice how he's holding the ruler correctly, making sure it doesn't slide. So there's the first neat glass, and that will be for empty. The second one will be for almost full. Again, Mr. L. There's Mrs. L's hand in front of the camera. She's my assistant today. And there's almost full for number 2. Number 3 will be my almost empty glass. There we go. Again, if you make a mistake, no problem. If you've got a rubber at home, just rub it out and try again. You might need your mom or dad to help you draw the 4 glasses. Try and make them roughly the same size. You will now need coloring pencil or a marker to put in the volumes of water into those 4 glasses. Anyway, that's the first activity. Second activity, choose a word to finish the sentences. Okay, and the words more, it's got the split vowel diagraph O, and less. Those are the 2 key words to finish the sentences. Look, I've got glass A and glass B there. And there's the volume of water in glass A. There's the volume of water in glass B. We've got A has, is it more or less than B? And then we've got 2 bottles. There's bottle A and there's bottle B. There's the volume of water in bottle A. And look at the volume of water in bottle C. And you can say A has something than B. A has more than B, or is it A has less than the B? That's the second activity. And the third activity is this one. Show, split vowel it's got the diagraph sh and O. Show the volume in each glass. And you've got 3 glasses on the bottom of the page there. Do you see them? A, B, and C. You'll have to draw your 3 glasses. Again, use a ruler. And A will need a volume of liquid that is nearly full. B, nearly empty. So you will have to put some liquid in there and show that B is nearly empty. A then has more than C. So your liquid, A will be more than C. And then C will be more than B. When you're putting in the liquid, you can use a coloring pencil, or you can use designs like I've done there for the second question. And these activities are going to be posted on this Dojo post too. Please do them, do your best, make your work look super neat and tidy, and good luck with the challenge. Please upload pics of your work to your portfolio. Stay tuned for Friday's task.